So here we have a Redpath Lifestyler Propagation greenhouse. It's 6 meters wide at the base and about 3.3 meters tall. This one has the single ridge ventilator fitted, has a sliding single door at the front, aluminium, and also has a door in the rear wall. We'll have a look in a minute. This one's a Twinskin clad, so basically it's got 2 layers of Duratough film on the outside. We'll walk up to it and give it the 2 layers are separated by air, so it bounces. There's like a pillow of air basically. And here's a quick shot inside. Just walk down through the building. It's got a 4-wheel drive motorbike going down there. Up above here we have vent drive. It's manually operated, so you pull the chain, rack and pinion vent goes up or down. Pretty straightforward. These can be automated as well. It can be automatic or it can be manual control like this one is. Inside we've got a shelf running the full length of this one. It's an option on the Redpath Lifestyler. This one's 18 meters long, and on the other side we have another one as well. So the shelf's steel shelf, 25mm square steel. Got a wee bracket underneath, screwed up. Pretty straightforward. They can be added at any time. Sidewall shelves. So this one runs the full length. So yeah. At the back of here we've got sliding door. Just turn around. Take a shot, stand back from that a bit. So that's the aluminium 1.2 meter wide sliding door. They come with a polyweave door option also. The standard door is polyweave clad. This here is the inflation fan, so that's what pumps up the Twinskin on this greenhouse. It has an adjustable turn. As you rotate this, it comes out and it lets more air in, which increases the pressure in the Twinskin. So yeah. It's a bit dirty, this one. It's a few years old now, it's 2 or 3 years old. So it's they do that, they need a clean with a bit of wet and forget or a bit of soap and water, hot soapy water. Just take a shot back here, looking back. You can see the roof vents are about 3/4 open. It's up around about 600-700 millimeters at the moment, which gives plenty of air movement out of the building. Hot air rises, it's not rocket science. And you can see the base rail with the clipping system, the Duralock clipping system here. And on the outside of the portals is the white polyguard tape. All Redpath greenhouses have the protection tape for the cover, so it doesn't wear the cover. It makes the Duratough cladding last as long as possible. So we'll just back out here on this side here, take another look. So yeah, that's one Redpath Lifestyler greenhouse, 6 meter wide by 18 meter long, Twinskin, single vented. This one doesn't have roll-up walls. You can put roll-up walls on this side or on the other side as well. And it can be single skin or twin skin. Most are single layer film, but some are twin skin like this one. So any questions on that, just give us a call on the free phone 0508 733 728, or pop us an email on sales@redpath.co.nz, or check it out on the website at www.redpath.co.nz. Okay, thanks for watching.